Hi, Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are. Metmachex swinging arm. Awesome bit of kit. This particular one we do supply with or without the spherical bearings. Okay, we can send you the spherical bearing kit. This is made by Custom Cycle Components, or CCE. Or this particular kit, we can actually press them in so the whole thing's ready to go. Okay, this is an option you've got now. We can press them in free of charge. Okay, this particular one, as you can see, beautiful axle adjustment here. Okay, this slides up and down, gives you quite a lot of movement. Okay, proper system, not snail adjusters or anything else, much more rigid. And obviously on this particular one, you got a torque arm on here, so you can use a soft tail style reel brake. Available in a wider width as well, so we can do this, you know, to take like a 200 or even bigger perhaps. Just going to modify your frame to take the wider tire as well. But as you can see, beautifully made in Britain. The welding exceptional as usual, absolutely unbelievable. And comes complete with the spindle and everything else that you need. As you can see, the adjusters, very cool, very beautiful bit of kit. Mirror polish, this particular one done in factory. Also available in raw or in black. So if you're interested in amazing quality swinging arms, give us a call. One-offs also fabricated. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.